Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about product management. Most of the time, when I talk to the business leaders or a budding management students or an experienced leader from a different professions, they used to ask me a very simple question: what is product management? And believe me, everybody has their own understanding about their product management. I'll not say they're right or they're wrong, but what I can say here, there are some myths around the product management. And what I'm going to do here is to uncover all those myths so that the person who is thinking around building their career as a product manager should be very clear before they start. So, what's a myth? I think there are several myths around this product management in the market. So, I'll just categorize it into five different, segments. The first one and the most common, people believe like, okay, product managers are the mini CEO. Believe me, man, I've been into this product management for the last around 9 years now. Product managers are not the mini CEO. They don't have any power. They don't have any authority. What they can do is to only help you to find a solve for your problems. So don't assume that, don't strive to become a product manager only because you think or you have heard like, okay, product managers are the mini CEO. The second one, the product managers are the decision maker and the idea generator. No, they are not the decision maker, and neither the decision maker nor the idea generator. They are the one who helps the business and the consumers to solve the problems. So just come out of those myths like, okay, you're going to make some decisions or every day you're going to generate some ideas. No, it's not going to happen. The third one, product managers must have either a computer science degree or a software development background. At least basis my experience, I can answer you like, okay, no, you don't need to have a computer science degree. You don't need to have a software development background. At least I have had many product managers in my team who doesn't have any background, in fact any engineering background, forget about computer science. I have seen product managers who are coming and doing really wonderful job and doesn't have any computer science background or engineering background. They are coming from a simple arts background. They are coming from a simple commerce background, but they have been doing fantastic job only because they have a common attitude to solve the problems. The fourth one is product management is the one of the most exciting career opportunity. At least I don't agree with this point. The reason behind it totally depends on the individual. If you are good at design, believe me, as a designer, you have a wonderful career. If you are good in coding, as a software developer, you have a wonderful job. If you are good in convincing a person to purchase something, you are a wonderful sales professional. So choose your career path basis your interest, not basis what is in the market. And the fifth one, product management is same at all the company. Big no. I have worked with earlier stage startup. I have worked with a big organization as well. And believe me, I have seen the difference in product management approach in a when you change one from one company to the another company. Forget about a startup or a big organization. Unlike a sales profession or a software development profession, in the product management, you will have a variety of roles and responsibilities across different companies. Then, what is the product management in the real world? That's again a big question. In the real world, if you ask any product leader, who has been there and helping the business to scale, helping the consumers to solve their problems, they will tell you what exactly they have been doing on a daily basis. Very simple, no jargons, no buzzwords. Product management is all about solving problems for the consumer and the business. You'll directly interact with the business to understand their problems and solve for it. You'll get to know about the consumer's problem through different channels, but your responsibility is to provide a scalable solution for those things. These are your responsibility as a product management professional. But remember, you will not have any power, you will not have any authority. What exactly you are going to do is to influence basis your skill, basis your approach and attitude to solve the problems. People come to you with an expectation that if I'm going to talk to this product manager, they'll be able to understand my problems and be able to provide some scalable solutions, rather than saying like, okay, I don't have any power, tech doesn't report into me, sales doesn't report into me, how can I solve your problem? No, it's your responsibility, the product manager, to provide a solution to all those guys. Hope it is very clear what is the role of a product manager, what is the expectation from the product manager, and what is the product management in a real world. It's not a rocket science, it's not a magic, it's a very simple. You have to focus on solving the problem of your consumer and of your business. Thank you.